So first, I made that beef short ribs fall off the bone in a rich red wine sauce. Then I flaked it up a little bit with a beet tatin. So I was thinking, beef and beets on the same plate. So what better than the perfect burger topped with a beet relish? In this pot here, I've got onions, apples, and beets. And these three are old friends. They love hanging out together. And this is what I'm gonna make my relish with. Just need a few things to bring those flavors up. Coriander. Oh, it's light, a little bit peppery. Ground cloves. Earthy, a little bit spicy. Cinnamon. This is warm and sweet. And mustard seed. These are gonna make it pop. Need something to help this thicken up and maybe sweeten it up a bit. A little bit of sugar. And you know what? If you're drinking wine, you're cooking with wine. Oh yeah. I'm gonna cook this until it becomes all thick and, well, relishy. Ground beef, medium lean. Guarantees a juicy burger every time. Start off with some of the seasoning. That garlic powder I was mumbling about. A little bit of those oregano leaves. And the Worcestershire. This stuff is perfect in burgers. Little known fact, it's chock full of anchovies. Super salty. Here's a tip. Don't over-season your meat. You want that beefiness to shine through. I always make sure I never overmix my meat, because then you're gonna be left with a tough burger. And who wants a tough burger? Here's a trick I just learned recently. If you want a perfectly grilled burger that's not gonna puff up and come to the size of a baseball, you take this right into the middle. A little dimple, and how cute are dimples anyways? Warm water, please. All right, I've got this hot cast iron pan just waiting for those burgers. Always wanna use cast iron, helps hold the heat, and they just get more flavorful as time goes by. You ready for the show? Oh, that is heaven right there. It's the perfect Saturday. Grilling up some burgers, sitting on the patio. So unlike steaks, burgers, once they have that crust, you can flip them as many times as you want. Just be careful, you don't want to press your burgers, let all those juices come out. Oh yeah. Oh, perfect. Sesame brioche bun, the perfect partner for my juicy burger. Right, get that relish on these burgers. You can really smell the clove and cinnamon. So fragrant. Thick, juicy. Man, that is good. That burger's so juicy. It's cooked just right. Those beets and that relish. The the little hits of spice, every bite is a different adventure. Cheers. Life does not get better than this. Beef and beets.